All right, so we back up in this thing. This is the HD grill. Hopefully it's the right one, and hopefully it's not damaged, but I'm about to open it, see what it looks like. And yeah, man. So let me open it, and then we'll take a look at it. All right, so here's the grill, man. Looks pretty good condition. Still got some plastic, I guess, parts for protection. Needs to be clean, but yeah, man, it looks good. Not too bad. For 170, I think, on eBay. I got the Chevy logo. Let me get the Chevy logo and then put it back on. All right, so here it is. Does it fit? Oh my God, does it fit? Yeah, it fits, but I don't want to put it all in. Yeah, man, not too bad for 170. It's a better view. I'm be installing it. I ordered the front bumper too. Keep you guys posted. Make sure you guys subscribe. Hit that like button. Just a little quick video, and hope y'all enjoy. Today we're gonna be installing the HD grill. Real simple, quick and easy. All you're gonna need is a 10mm wrench, one of these, and some pliers. All right, and yeah, man, let's get started. Just pop these things up. All right, take them out. Try not to lose them. All right, so took them off. Comes right up. Now we got some 10mm bolts. There's one here, here, and here. So let me take those out and then the next step. All right, so there's about 6 clips. One right here, one in the corner. Same thing on this side, one right here, and one right there, and one in the corner. Basically you just squeeze them, and then pop them out. All right, so the bird's chirping and stuff, but it's a little tricky. Once you squeeze them, you gotta pull. So I'm pulling right here. You gotta watch out for this little hook's on there, so it makes you think it's not coming out, but it is. Same thing on this side. All I gotta do is get that one and then pull it out, and then it'll be good. So here's the new grill. Didn't come with clips. Wait, it did come with clips. Hold on, I'm tripping. I was gonna reuse those, which you can't do because it's the same orientation, basically. You can do that, but nah, I'm gonna do the new clips that it came with. So let me go get those. All right, so it came with this little bag of clips. Basically, you just take them out and then just put them in. Kind of hard with one hand, but you low-key gotta open it a little bit and then put it in. So, all right, so I'm not gonna lie, these are hard to put in. So what I'm basically doing is taking the pliers and squeezing the top part a little bit, because they go in like this, right? So I'm squeezing the top part and then pushing it in, and it's worked. So just a little tip. So basically I'm just squeezing these a little bit in, and then they go right in. I'm gonna do this one a little bit more. All right, so before I forget, what you want to do after you install the clips is pull these up just a little bit so they clip. This one too. Just a little bit, not too much. This one especially, look how flat that is. It's not gonna clip in. What you're gonna do is just move it up just a little bit. All right, time to install the emblem. See, I thought there was clips, but there's no clips. It just snaps in. And yeah, let's do that. Slap it into place. Make sure the holes line up. That's it, man. Easy. Now when you install it, this is the original 1500. This is the 2500. 1500 stays the same. This one 1500. This one is 2500. This is the one you're gonna be. This is the one right here you're gonna be looking for. All right. Let's take the grill. Oops. Slip it in. Remember, look for that second hole. The second hole over here. All right. Clipped in. Clipped in. Clipped in. Clipped in. And last one. Damn, how you do this one? There you go. That's it. Clipped in. All right. And then this is the reverse process. 4 bolts, 10 millimeters. And then the cap, plastic trim. And that's it, man. It ain't going nowhere. It'll be good. But yeah, let me install the cap and then show you the finished results. Damn, my hand's dirty, man. It's a dirty job, man. But it's worth it. And we're done. Shoot, to me it looks good, man. Took me like 30 minutes. This video help you out, probably take you like 20 minutes, 10 minutes. Looks more aggressive. But yeah, man. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up, big like, subscribe. HD bumper coming soon. Yes, sir.